Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery Budgie. My name's Gina and this is Miss Bonnie Faye. Yes, I have a different co-host today. Miss Callie Cat has been asleep on the bed all day. Miss Bonnie is not feeling well, so she is staying close to mommy. You know how that goes. Kids want to be next to mommy when they don't feel well. So she's just hanging out, watching the birdies. And today I'm going to talk about the most affordable beauty box I think that is out there. The one I have found so far. This is the Walmart Beauty Box. They send you a box of goodies 4 times a year. So you only get 4 boxes a year. So 4 seasons, 4 boxes. And you pay $6.98 for them. And you get all kinds of samples in here. It says samples and goodies from the best beauty brands sold at Walmart. If you want to try this beauty box below, I do have a link. So I'd love it if you use that. It does help me out so very much if you use my links. It doesn't cost you any extra, but it does help me. So thank you so very much if you use any of my links. I always have them all listed down below. If they're not down below, they're normally in like the comment section or something pinned to the top. It just depends on how long my descriptions are, because you only have so many words you can put on there. Alright, so it does come in shrink wrap, so I took that off, and you got our box. Callie is stretching out. She's just sticking her feet up in the air. Ooh, did you see that? Don't look at that. Alright. Back to the box. So this is what's inside my box, y'all. They sent me a sponge. They sent me a Real Technique Sponge Plus. Is that not cool? I have been trying different sponges. I do love my Beauty Bakery sponges, y'all, but I have been trying some different ones. This is the Blend and Glow Miracle Complexion Sponge. So that is super, super cool. What is it, Miss Bonnie? Let me get my little paperwork out. It says Real Technique Sponge. The full size is $4.88. Evenly blend your foundation, blur your fine lines and imperfections for a radiant, streak-free finish. Sponges will vary. It does have a blue sponge pictured here. As you can see, I have one of the yellow ones. Flawless blend for a streak-free, natural, fresh glow. Coverage light to medium. Dilution for dull, tired skin. Solution for dull, tired skin. Used with foundation, concealer, or tinted moisturizers. Finish natural glow. Best when used damp or dry. So very cool. I love getting sponges. Let's see what they say. Reinvigorate your routine for a new season with our fab collection of autumn ready picks. And then it tells me to tag Walmart Beauty Box. So this is Tangologist Face and Body Drops, self-tanning medium drops. Now I don't self-tan. I'm always just scared of it. And this is medium. I would always go light. So I probably will pass this sample on. But oh, how cute. Look at how cute the bottle is. You don't see that? This is not on here. Yeah, not on here. That's okay if it's not on there. I guess I can read some about it. Your glow, your shade, your way. Designed to be mixed with your skincare, makeup, or body care. Tangologist self-tan drops are easy to apply and 100% customizable. The more drops you add, the darker your tan. Getting bronze has never been easier. Our skin-saving trio of pink grapefruit, goji berry, and juniper work to brighten, soften, and hydrate. Plus, No blocked pores, no drying effect on the skin, no tan transfer onto sheets or clothes. That's nice. And if you're mixing it in with your beauty products, it doesn't sound like you have to wash it off. So, you know, a lot of those self-tanning lotions you have to wash off after you put them on. You can leave them on for a certain amount of time. Oh, look, I got some Dashing Divas, and they are pretty. Look at, oh, can y'all even see it? These are so cute. You've got teal, and then you've got like a little, almost camo, like, what is it called? Made with real gel. Ultra Shine Gel Manicure. It lasts up to 14 days. This is Desert Quartz. This is so cool. I hope y'all are seeing the colors on this. This is pretty neat. Okay, so these also are not on my little paper, but very cute. 20 gel nail strips. They're not gonna stand up there. Oh well. So let's put something out here that is actually on here. The Invisibobble Waver, full size, is $6 for 3 pieces. So, traceless hair clips, no metal. The ultimate hair clip. Now, I like the Invisibobble ponytail holders. So let's look at these clips. This is very interesting. I love you more, it says on the back. So look at these clips, y'all. These are interesting. I'm gonna use this bright colored one so we can see. But it just clips in the hair and then does that. So let's just stick it in my hair. What do you think? Am I cute? So these are cute. I do like these. I don't know how much I would wear them out because they are pretty, well, this one is anyway pretty bright colored, but the other two are a little more subdued. So very cool. $6 value. Like the Invisibobble. I don't know how tight they would have been. I probably would have needed to put more hair in there for them to be a little tighter. It actually shows you, you know, where they braid the sides and pull it back and attaching it there, or pulling both sides back for a lower, you know, I cinch mine really high to make this poofy thing on my head, but a lot of people cinch it back here. I like to be different. What can I say? So the last thing in here is Burts Bees Facial Cleanser for sensitive skin with cotton extract. Okay. This is an $8, and well, the full size is $8.34. Infused with soothing cotton extract, this creamy soap-free formula hydrates skin while gently cleansing away dirt, oil, and makeup without causing redness or irritation. I hope that's the case because I may need to. And here's Miss Cali Cat, everybody. Over there. So it looks like the products that were on here that I got substitute for was a Dove exfoliating body polish and a liquid IV 6-pack. So I don't know what that is, but that's what was supposed to get in here. I'm actually glad I got these because I'm curious about these. So yeah, I think I will use everything in here except for the self-tanning drops. And there's Miss Bonnie, and Miss Callie's gonna get upset that Bonnie's here. They have their own windows, y'all. When they're both up there, they stay in their own windows. All right, so let me know below. Tell me what you think. Comment. I want to know what you think of these items. Do you think this box is worth it? I think it's worth it to get to try new stuff. You know how I love trying new stuff. It's $7, you know? I mean, that's pretty good, I think. But I want to hear what y'all think. So comment below. While you're down there, I'd love it if you liked the video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Share with your friends and press the notification bell. Y'all, I'm so excited you get to see 2 of the babies. Now, if I could only get my little man to come out, a little meow meow. We're working on it. He's just a little skittish guy. Y'all, have a wonderful day and God bless.